Hi everyone, welcome to the one of learning HTML from scratch. If you are a beginner and you have never written a line of code before, you are in the right place. Before we start writing HTML, let me explain what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create web page. Think of HTML like a skeleton or structure of every website you visit. It tells the web browsers what is heading, what is a paragraph, where to place an image, how to link to other pages, and so on and so forth. Don't worry. I put you guys through when we are start following. I just need to explain this first before. So don't worry. I got you covered. Now that you understand what HTML is and how it works, let's create your first HTML page. Don't worry, if you're also using a phone, no problem. If you're also using your laptops, no problem. I've got you covered. Just let me know in the comment section which devices are you using. So I recommended you the software you are going to download. First thing to do, if you are using a laptop, just head to your Google or any of the browser you are using, just search for VS Code. This is how it look like. Then first thing you need to do is that you just firstly create your folder. You need to create your folder. New. Let's create our folder. This our folder. My folder. Now just open your VS Code. Open your VS Code. This is your VS Code environment. Just drag your folder inside it. As you can see, our folder is inside it already. This is it. This is our folder. So there is a lot of languages there. So first thing you need to understand is that after you have dragged your folder into the software you're using, maybe you're using VS Code or Spec Editor or TribeEdit, no problem. First thing you need to do is that just come here. This is your folder, you can see. So just come here, create file your file, my first web page, my first web page dot html. I believe you guys can see it. It ends with dot html. It's because we are dealing with html language, so that's why it ends with html. So the browser will understand, okay, you are dealing with this html, I mean the software. So enter. As you can see, so it has enter. So first thing you need to do, as I explained to you earlier, we have opening tag and closing tag. So first thing you need to do after you have opened your file, you want to start your web page or something you want to code. First thing you need to do is to open tag, open doc selector, doc type HTML, close it. You see it, you open tag with less than and exclamation mark followed by doc type HTML. This line tell the browser the page is written using HTML5, the latest version of HTML, except the browser understand how to display the page properly. So first thing you follow it is just enter, open your tag HTML, close it. You can see it. This is the root of your HTML document. Everything inside your web page must go between the two tags. Enter. Then it's followed by heading tags. This is the head is closed automatically. The head section contains information about the web page. This information is not visible on the actual page. It can include title, link to CSS file, metadata, script, and so on and so forth. So in between this head, you have to use title, open tag, title, close it. This set the title of your web page which appear on the browser types. Trying this is your browser and look at the tab and title, it will say my first HTML. Let's do it. Let's do it. Just type my first HTML. Let's open it and we can open it for us to see. Open with the web browser. You can see my first HTML. This is it. So that is how it goes. Let us close it. Let's continue. After these head tags, we have what we call body tag. Body tag, open tag, body. This is the main content area of your web page. Everything you want to show on the screen. It may be text, image, buttons, and everything goes inside these body tags. In between these body tags, anything you, for example. So if you have understand these body tags, it's like, think of it like written in letter. It has a heading, body, and closing. So this is the body. It contains everything you want to write about the page. So we have something we call H1. This is the first heading. We call it first heading. This is our first heading. So we have this to, it's up to H6. So as you are using this one, H2, second heading, this is the second heading. We have it up to sixth heading. Let's open it. Let's try it. Yeah, let's try it. Let's try it and see. Let's try it. I want to place everything beside this. Let's close this now. Yes. Now let's open this. Open it. Let's make it beside each other. I see you guys can see this is the first heading. This is the first heading. This is the second heading. So you can see first heading is bold, while the second heading is like it is descending. First heading is bold, second heading descend, third heading descend. So we have it up to sixth heading. Let's quickly type it. This is the third heading. You can see it. I believe you guys can see it. This is the third heading. Fourth heading, H4. Fourth heading. You can see it. I believe you guys can see it. Fourth heading. It will do it ends in sixth. This is fifth heading. Fifth heading. Sixth heading. You can see it. It's the first. Yeah, those are the heading we have in HTML. The H1 is the biggest and most important heading on your page. You can also use H2. This H2, second heading, H2, all the way to H6 for the smaller heading. So that is it. Let's start with. We also have what you call paragraph. So it represents P in HTML. So this is it. Just open your tag, P, place your tag. This is it. You can see it is slash open tag. This is a simple to get started. You can see this is what you call a paragraph. You can see it. A stand for paragraph is used for writing normal text context on your page. It automatically adds some spacing above and below. You can see it. It adds some places above and there's some places below. Let's try it. Like let's use another H1 to confirm. Maybe it add it to above. It have the space above and below. My first web page. Yes, as you can see that this is the paragraph. This is the paragraph. It has some places above the first heading we explained, and the second heading is what we call the paragraph. Let's go over what we have learned today. HTML. HTML is a language of the web. It's used to tag structure content. A basic HTML page starts with doctype HTML to define HTML file. HTML as the root. For this heading is for information, and this title for tab name. This is it. This is the tab name. This is the heading tab name. This is it. You can see it. My first thing. Let's change it and confirm. Maybe my web page. You guys can see it. Everything is changing my web page. So that is how it goes. We also have the body. This body is the content that is visible to the users and everybody that open your page. We also have H heading tag, which is represented as H1 all the way to H6. I also have what we call a paragraph tags. This is it, represented as P. This is a paragraph, simple paragraph. If you follow along, congratulations, you have built your first HTML page. In the next video, day 2, we go deeper and learn how to format text using tags like bold, italic, and how to add link break. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment if you have a question. Thank you for watching. See you in day 2.